6. Missing or corrupted files. Roblox has detected missing or corrupted files. Please uninstall and reinstall Roblox from an official app store. Error code 304. This happens when core game files are damaged, modified, or removed, often by antivirus, improper installation, or third-party injectors. How to fix Roblox Error Code 304, step by step. 1. Fully uninstall Roblox. Do not just delete the shortcut, remove all files. A. Uninstall from Windows, go to Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program, find Roblox and uninstall it. B. Manually delete leftover files. Go to C. Users your username, app data, local Roblox. Delete the entire Roblox folder. Also remove C. Users your username, app data, local low Roblox, and C. Users your username, app data, roaming Roblox. Press WinR, type set app data sent or sent local app data sent, and navigate to delete. 2. Disable antivirus //Shine Windows Defender temporarily. Sometimes your security software deletes Roblox files by mistake. Temporarily disable real-time protection in Windows Defender, Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, or in third-party antivirus. 3. Reinstall Roblox from official source. Download fresh files from unroblate.roblox.com/down, download, roblox.com/download. Avoid downloading Roblox from unofficial or third-party launchers. 4. Run Roblox as administrator. After reinstalling, right-click the Roblox shortcut, click Run as Administrator. 5. Reset your DNS, optional but helpful. To clear corrupted network entries, open Command as Administrator, type ipconfig flush DNS. 6. Check system file integrity. To make sure your PC itself isn't damaged, open Command Prompt Admin, run sfc/scanow, let it complete and restart your PC. 7. Avoid third-party tools, injectors. If you're using scripts, mods, or injectors like exploits or script runners, they can corrupt core Roblox files and trigger Error 304.